The question is, what or where is Dylan Ferrandis going to be doing next year? If you look online, if you see anything, he was on the PulpMX show, kind of with a little bit of a joke where he was asked, "Well, what's your plans for next year?" And he said, "Retirement." And they laughed it off as a joke. And he goes, "No, really, like I have no signed deal, I have no nothing." So who knows? Obviously, with the big concussion he had in Houston this year or last year, whatever you want to say, last year or Supercross season, he missed the rest of Supercross, went over to France, took a month for healing, went to see a specialist and everything, came back and yeah, he did. He got a podium and I think it was Paula, but it just sends who knows. After you think he would have a pretty good lead on a ride at least, being he won the 250 championship in 19 or 20, and he won the 450 Pro Motocross Championship in 21. So he's only 2 years removed from being a champion. It's not exactly like he's missed out or been super far off for 5 or 6, 7 years. So I don't know. If you look at some rumors online, he's kind of been, I guess you want to say, attached to HEP, but as far as he says, he has nothing signed. He's got nothing going. So who knows? Maybe you'll see him next year. Maybe he will retire, or maybe the other rumor I've seen at least is going back and racing MXGP. But in the comments below, you tell me. Do you think he races here, goes back to MXGP, what team he signs on, whatever it is? Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.